Hello friends, my name is Ajay Khot. Today topic is break and continue statement in Java. The break statement, continue statement are the jump statement that are used to the skip some statement inside the loop or terminate the loop indefinitely without checking the test expression. This statement can be used inside any loop such as for will loop. First is the break. The break statement in Java is used to terminate from the loop indefinitely. When a break statement is inside a loop, the loop is iteration stop. There are control returns from the loop indefinitely to the first statement after the loop. Basically, break statements are used in a when we are not sure about the actual number of iterations for the loop, or we want to terminate the loop based on the some condition. And syntax in Java, break statement is majorly used for first one is the to exist a loop, use a switched from the go to, and third is the terminate of sequence in switch statement. Using break to exist a loop. Using break we can force indicated termination of loop bypassing the condition expression and any remaining code in the body of the loop. When he use break inside the loop. And second point is the continue statement. The continue statement in Java is used to the skip the current iteration of loop. We can use continue statement inside the any type of loop, such for will the do will loop. Basically, continue statement are used in the when he want to continue the loop but does not want of remaining statement after the continuous statement. And difference between break and continuous statement. First, the break statement is used to the terminate the loop indefinitely. The continuous statement is used to the skip the current interaction of the loop. Second point, break keyword is used to the indicated break system Java programming. Continuous keyword is used to the indicated continuous statement in Java programming. Third point is the we can use a break with the switch statement. We cannot use a continuous with the switch statement. And fourth point is the break statement terminate the whole loops earlier. The continuous statement bring the next iteration earlier. Thank you.